welcome back to Curiosity Corner Live. My name is Joy, and this morning we looked at the world of kitchen chemistry, where we took ingredients that you can find in your kitchen, and we combined them to create a chemical reaction. And in our case, we were able to make homemade Play-Doh, which is pretty awesome. I want to send a special shout out to everyone who participated in the chat this morning, as well as everyone who's doing those kitchen chemistry challenges at home. And we want to send a special thank you to BASF for sponsoring this episode of Curiosity Corner Live and for everything that they do with chemistry and inspiring kids around the world to pursue STEM. Now, this morning, I talked about possibly being able to use my chemistry project, my Play-Doh, in order to create a circuit. So let's see if we can make that happen. I have the two Play-Dohs that I made this morning. This is my marbled color change dough. That's the shape of a triangle. And I have my blue Play-Doh that's more of a rectangle. And I have them next to each other. They're not touching. They're just sitting on these little stands so that way you can see them better. And in between them, we have an LED light bulb. So I want to see if I can turn on this light bulb, even though there's no outlet, there's no lamp anywhere, it's just a bulb and some Play-Doh. And in order to do that, I need to create a circuit. And a circuit needs a power source. I have here my little hand crank generator, and I have plugged one wire from it into this Play-Doh and one wire into this Play-Doh. So let's see what happens if I turn the crank and can start the energy flow through the Play-Doh. So let's see, here we go. And the light bulb lights up. We were able to create a circuit with our Play-Doh. And the reason why that works all boils down to chemistry. Remember, our Play-Doh has a few different ingredients. And one of those ingredients is salt. And salt is actually a really good conductor of electricity. So I start the energy flow from my generator, travels through the wire into the Play-Doh, charge goes into the light bulb, to the other Play-Doh, and back around and around and around as a circuit. So that's pretty cool. So we learned so much about kitchen chemistry today. And if you come back tomorrow and Sunday, you are going to see some super fun experiments with another kitchen staple, the egg, because it is time for our special Egg-Speariment weekend episodes of Curiosity Corner Live. So come back tomorrow at 10:30. You're going to see me, and we're going to explore the physics and strength of an egg. And then on Sunday, you're going to go over to my friend Andy, and you're going to learn more about egg physics and some about the chemistry and properties of an egg. So make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. You do not want to miss your chance to see our brand new videos when they debut every day at 10:30 and at 3. So make sure you tune in this weekend for Egg-Speariment and right here at Curiosity Corner Live every day. Thank you all so much for joining us today. We'll see you for Egg-Speariment weekend. And until next time, stay curious.